So the main challenges of this project was obviously developing the oil feed system with the flow meters, making sure we could get that very small controlled dose into the kettles from a complete manifold system. Also the weighing system for the corn into the existing divert chute system from the hoppers above.
It went from a very small project to a very large project. It went from a very simple project to a very complex project. And the reason for that was the client was become more and more interested in saving labour and saving time, ensuring they had a really accurate and quality product. It really embraces automation from the bulk intake of product through to the packing process.
As a company, we have a vast amount of knowledge. Every aspect of design and building now, so electrical, subcontract, we've got machining, drafting, fabricating. If you do come across any kind of issues, we can all get together and find the best solution.
So all our designs are in 3D models, which is brilliant for looking at them and understanding them and spotting clashes, also allowing the client to understand what he's getting.
The client had a very tight window for getting this project from conception to completion, so we had to really push the design and development and the build through very quickly. We had a restriction with time on site, so we redesigned how we would normally build a line and did much of the site work here. So we built it in modular units so we could very quickly go into site, and that led to us being able to install all of the equipment and do the electrical works within 3 weeks.
The advantage of that modular system is that if you want, let's say, 8 kettles or 6 kettles or more, it's just a module. You just expand and contract.
We can remotely access the entire system from one network point, which means we can look at every individual drive on the system and provide support wherever necessary.
With every job we do, it's obviously all dependent on customer. We don't ever do one job, I would say, is never the same. You've got to make it fit and make it work to the space that you've got. The Polar team and the company, I'd say they're probably one of the best around for having the right equipment for the job. They invest quite heavily in the right equipment for the guys to make their job as easy as possible.
Everyone did very well on site, pulled out all the stops in, ensuring that as much as could possibly be conceived before we hit site was implemented in a good and professional way. It's really great to see the line starting to come to life and come into production and start to see real nice quality product coming off the end at the quantity and the quality we were hoping for.
It's been a really good project. It's been enjoyable to be part of. I've certainly got a lot of satisfaction from seeing it from start to finish.
Feedback from the client is that they've been very happy with our performance to date, which is great for us to hear. This is a partnership and we want that equipment to be in there and running for years to come and giving the customer really good service and return on their investment. It's going to be really interesting moving forwards and employing some of the things we've learned in this job and some of the innovations we've made in this job into future projects.